everyone, my name is Iba of class 3rd. Today we are going to present a beautiful skit 1 to 8 letter words and their meanings.
Hello friends, I am a very selfish word. I always thinking about myself.
Hello friend. Hello friend, I am we, a 2 letter word which show togetherness. Hello friends, I am a ego. Ego is the most dangerous 3 letter word that breaks relation. Hello friends, I am love, a very beautiful 4 letter word which is essential for every relation.
Hello friends, I'm smile, a 5 letter word that makes you look beautiful. So smile please.
Hello friend, I am Rumor.
Hello.
The more dangerous 6 letter words always ignore it and never believe it.
Hello friends, I'm success, a 7 letter word which makes you famous all around the world.
Hello friends, I am a jealousy who is most 8 letter words who spoils your whole life. Thank you.
Very nice. Very clap for class. Okay, carry on.
Now we will learn which words you will adapt in your life and which we should reject.
No.
Speak yourself.
No. Love? Yes. Smile? Yes. Humor? No. Success? Yes. Jealousy? No.
Now we will learn which words you will adapt in your life. We. Love, smile, success, and which you will reject. I. Ego, human, jealousy. Thank you.
Very nice. Very good clap. Class 3. Very nice.